Many people think that if they are not good at learning languages, if they have not succeeded for many years, it is because they don't have a good memory. And their memory is just not good enough to remember all those words, or they don't have the right memory techniques, etc. But actually, I believe this has not so much to do with the memory, but rather with the way how we encounter these words and how frequently we encounter them. The thing is, when I learn some new words, I don't have any special way how I see the word once and then I would remember it forever. I mean, my memory doesn't work like that, for sure. But what I do is I make sure that I see this word many times, as often as possible, in various contexts, in a natural way, because I read text, I listen to text, etc., and they just repeat themselves on and on until my brain gets it and remembers this word long term. The good news is that in most of the texts that we read or listen to or just encounter in our everyday life, 85% of the words which are used there are built by the 2,000 most frequent words used in that language. Which is great news, because if you learn those 2,000 words, then you understand 85% of text. And that also means that if you keep reading everyday texts which are available in magazines, newspapers, books, blogs, etc., you will definitely see those 2,000 most frequent words on and on again, right? And I believe this is really the best way how to learn the language, because when you see it in this sentence and in that sentence and in that sentence, your brain puts it all together and understands how to use that word and can put it into the long-term memory. So if you also think that you don't have a memory for learning vocabulary or something, don't worry too much about it. Instead, try to think of ways how to encounter these words more often, more frequently, in a systematic way, and you will see that in the long term, you will be able to understand these words and to remember them much better.